How to fix Steam Games 0 bytes download speed. I'm going to show you how you can easily fix Steam Games 0 bytes download speed. When you download a game, the download speed starts as expected, then sharply drops to 0 bytes and keeps like that. The issue may derive from an unstable internet connection, corrupted download cache data, misconfigured Steam settings, and more. To troubleshoot your issues once and for all, you can try away-running Minitool System Booster. It offers a feature called Deep Clean that helps increase the internet speed and delete junk files. First, launch Minitool System Booster on your PC. Expand the drop-down menu at the top and choose Deep Clean. Then click Start Clean. Then, this tool starts to perform the listed cleanup tasks one by one. To solve Steam downloads dropping to 0, do the first two tasks, Net Booster and Internet Cleanup. When Steam download keeps dropping to 0, you should make sure you are using a reliable network internet. You can use speed test to test the connection performance. If it's not stable, switch to a wired connection or restart the router. Make sure you don't use the bandwidth for other purposes. For example, watching a live stream, downloading a movie, or downloading another game at the same time. Sometimes Steam download goes to 0 due to server issues, and you can try to solve this by changing your download region. In Steam, go to Steam and then Settings. Under the Downloads tab, go to Download Region to choose another region. Steam allows you to define a bandwidth limit to prevent the client from using all available network resources. However, this may lead to some issues. For example, Steam download speed drops to 0. To get rid of the trouble, remove the limit, go to Steam Settings and access Downloads. Now, uncheck the box of Limit Bandwidth. According to some users, you can solve the issue of Steam downloads stuck on 0 bytes by limiting the bandwidth to a slightly lower rate than you typically get. Old or corrupted Steam download cache data could prevent the download process. As a result, Steam download drops to 0. You can go to Clear the Cache to get rid of the issue in Steam Settings. Go to Downloads and tap on Clear Download Cache. Type Internet Options in the search box and click the result to open the Internet Properties window. Go to Connections and then LAN Settings. Uncheck the box of Automatically Detect Settings and click OK twice. Although this seems to be strange, disabling the Direct Track service does the trick for some users. Right-click on the taskbar in Windows 10 or 11 and select Task Manager. Under Services, locate Direct Track, right-click on the service and choose Stop. Sometimes Steam download keeps dropping to 0 because of an obsolete DNS, and you can choose to flush it. In Windows 10 or 11, run Command Prompt as an administrator. Type in ipconfig/flush DNS and press Enter.